Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. Ladies, we all have that one go-to bag, the one bag that we always go to when we're doing quick runs, errands, when we're not really all that dressed up, but we still want to look kind of fly. So let me share with you what bag of mine that is. Let's get into it. All right, so first off, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I hope you're making the best of your day. I hope you're staying wrapped in scraps, meaning, say it with me, people, repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life, right? That's what I'm trying to do today. It's been a challenge today. There's been a lot of things going on, but I'm here, and I'm happy that I'm here. God is still good, and we're going to talk about this purse. This, my friends, my loves, my preciouses, extra S's, that's double plural, okay? We are talking about the Katy Satchel embossed black Coach bag, all right? So let's talk about why I love this bag so much. I'm just going to jump right on into it. First of all, I have a bag just like this. I have the Katy Satchel canvas bag, okay? I love the bag because of the size. The size is amazing. It's a great size. You can't go wrong with the size. It's big enough to carry if you want to go ahead and do the crossbody thing. It's not too big though. You understand what I'm saying? I like big totes too that are crossbody, but those are used primarily for when I'm going shopping at the mall. So if I'm going to the mall, I don't want to have to go in one store and then have a lot of stuff that I got to carry back to the car. Most of the time, if I'm going into a store, I'm going for one or two things or a few items, and I want to continue on my journey. I don't want to have to run to the car to go empty and dump things out until my bag is full. So I'll take a big tote, and I've done videos on that. Check those videos out on my Coach bag totes. But when I'm just doing grocery store runs or paying bills or picking up kids or whatever, anything like that, I like to carry this small bag like this. This is the perfect size. It's the perfect shape. I love the shape of this bag. Again, I love that the bag is crossbody, so there's no problems with if you want to be hands-free. I also love that the little clips come off. That is one of the best parts about this bag, is the clips come off. That is not on there. Do you see that? Can't even tell. So that's a great thing. I love that it opens up wide. It's a wide mouth purse. Very wide mouth. You see that? Okay. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Let's take a, now that I've told you what I love about it. And the hardware is beautiful as well. Let's take a look at it. One zippy pouch on this side, and that's it. There's no more little cubbies for you to put your sunglasses and keys and all that jazz. It's just an open compartment. As you can see, it's very wide. All right, so it has that, and then it has one zipper here in the back, which is sometimes tough to get in and out of. I don't know why it's like that on these purses. It's the same way in my other purses, on my other purse as well. It's really hard to kind of open up. So opens up like that. What do I have in there? Oh, I've got Pinky. So Pinky's in there. This is my little keep myself safe knife. Ladies, all men carry knives. Most men, I don't care what background, what race, what ethnic, what culture, whatever. The majority of men that I know walking around have some type of pocket knife in their back pocket for emergencies, cutting ropes, defending themselves, whatever the case may be. It's always good to have something to protect yourself. If not for that, if you're afraid to carry something to protect yourself, have something that you can cut a seatbelt off of or break a window. If you ever got into a issue and you needed to break a window, you want something that can do that. And of course the blade can help protect you if need be. I just figured they got one, I want one too. Okay, now hopefully she can stay in purses that I carry and retire and never be used. That's my prayer. That's my prayer to God, that I never have to try to need to use her. Okay, now that we didn't look at the bottom. So this is actually a really great thing for me because I'm left-handed, and I don't know if you right-handed people know it, but most things are kind of made for you guys, including handbags. Even when you carry the bag, you know, most of the time they always put the zipper on the wrong side for us lefties. So I love bags that has the double zip, because then that means I can put it at my preference versus what they're trying to make me have. So that is the purse. It is beautiful. I love to carry it. You can carry it like this. It actually goes with one of my bracelets. So the hardware is gold, as you can see. And the embossed texture is so nice. I love that. It's just a beautiful purse. So now we're going to talk about the wallet. Likewise, here is the wallet in the inside. It has some, let me get close to y'all. So it has some card slots on this side and over here on this side, and then over here just area for cash, likewise cash, and then the zippy in the middle is for your change. Okay, so a pretty easy self-explanatory wallet. I do love that it has this little clip on here. I do have several purses with the matching wallet by Coach, and I love that feature because then I can clip this onto other purses, even though I think they have it already, and you can just carry it as a clutch if you want to, or if you're going somewhere and you're unsure of the area and you want to be more safe and you don't want to carry your whole purse, then friends, you can carry just the wallet and put it in your pocket, or you know how we do, tuck it somewhere. All right, so that is the Coach purse, the Katy Satchel black embossed, along with the wallet. Now I paid $135 for this. The price that it normally was about $3 something, like the original price. I got it from the outlet, so they had it listed for $170 something, but then they had a sale, which is how I got it for $130 something. Absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite purses to carry, as I just stated, because it's black and it goes with everything. And then 2, the size, and then 3, the shape, okay, and the durability. So I just love it. I love it. And next, I'm going to share with you guys my boots. My husband picked up some boots for me from, I think, the commissary, not the commissary, Lord, the PX, okay? So he picked up these Michael Kors boots for me from the PX. Really, really nice boots here. There was another pair that I was looking for. Actually, me and my auntie were looking for. I purchased a Michael Kors purse that I love so much. It has patches all over it. I already shared that in one of my previous videos. Y'all check out my other videos. And if you haven't already, comment, rate, and subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of the Wrapped in Scraps family. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload. I try and do it twice a week. I've been doing pretty good at that. So, hey, if you want to know what's going on and what I bought and what's new, because I'm always doing something over here, DIY home decor, shopping hauls, all kind of stuff. So just come and see what your sis is doing, okay? Sis, subscribe. I would love to have you. So, these are the boots. I like that it kind of has this like kind of sock feature. That for some reason really makes me happy. It makes me feel like it's going to be really cozy and comfy. And they are comfortable. I will say this strap right here, getting your top part of your foot past this little section. If you got a wide foot like me, you're going to have to undo this little buckle to get your foot down in there and then redo it. So at first I was a little concerned. My husband paid $135. They were on sale. Originally I think they were like $180, $190. So we got those on sale as well. And so far, that's what I got in the last couple of days. The boots I've had it for a while. I just wanted to share it. But the purse, I got the purse when I got the other stuff that I did in the last haul. Check out the last haul. I'll probably put it a little end clip so you can click on it in this video. But I've been doing some shopping, y'all. I've been doing some shopping. So check out my other videos, okay? If you haven't checked out my mommy makeover video, check it out. I also have the 1-month post-op and 3-month post-op. So a lot of material. Check out my playlist, you guys. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, under Wrapped in Scraps, wrappedinscraps.com, all that jazz, okay? So I'm going to leave you guys alone for now, but I'll be back. I'll be back. So stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Take something bad, turn it into something good. Take an old piece of furniture, DIY it, turn it into a new piece of furniture. Take an old mindset, flip it, get a new mindset, get educated, uplift someone. You know what I mean. Y'all grown women, y'all know what I mean. So do the best you can do with loving others. Stay loving you, because you can't love anyone else if you don't love you. Stay loving God, stay loving life, because you're still here. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.